Mincha Be'ezrat Hashem is going to be at 7. Please be on time. The Halacha says if a person had a meal and his hands are very covered with residue and dirt, and he needs to use a lot of water for Mayim Acharonim, the Ben Ish Chai says what he should do is he should wash his hands first, like with a lot of water, and then do Mayim Acharonim with a little bit of water. Why? Because you're not supposed to use a lot of water for Mayim Acharonim. So in order to not use a lot of water, well, your hands are dirty. So on the other one hand, you have to clean them. On the other hand, you can't use a lot of water. So he says you do two. Do a netira, clean your hands, and then do Mayim Acharonim. And further, Mayim Acharonim, use a little bit of water. Halacha writes it's not necessary. Mayim Acharonim requires a minimal amount of water. But use what is necessary. If you have to clean more, then clean more. If it takes a little bit more water, it's okay. It doesn't have to be bidafka, only a minimum amount. And therefore, mitzad halacha, the approach of the Ben Ish Chai is not required. He doesn't have to do it that way. However, there is a solution, because Chacham Ovadia does say what you could do is you could wash your hands, have in mind that you're going to eat a little bit more bread, and then that won't be Mayim Acharonim. Means it comes out that all that water that you used is really Mayim Imtsayim. It's still within the meal, which is fine. And then after you had a little bit more bread, you can do the real Mayim Acharonim, and that way you cover all your bases. So if someone wants to do that, they could. Although, mitzad halacha, they're not required to do that, and they could just do whatever is necessary for the Mayim Acharonim, ve'gamanu, and then that's good enough. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.